Welcome back to Autowondr. Luxury meets unmatched performance. This is the 2026 Audi S8. A masterpiece of engineering and sophistication, the new S8 blends cutting-edge technology with thrilling power. Whether you crave comfort or exhilarating speed, this high-performance luxury sedan is designed to elevate every drive. The future of executive performance has arrived. The 2026 Audi S8 commands attention with its bold, athletic stance. A wider, redesigned single-frame grille, sharper matrix LED headlights, and aggressive air intakes exude performance and prestige. The sleek, sculpted body lines enhance aerodynamics, while the quattro all-wheel drive system ensures unmatched stability. Sitting on 21-inch alloy wheels, the S8 blends sportiness with executive class. New OLED taillights, a carbon fiber trim option, and an exclusive sport exhaust system complete the look. This is more than a luxury sedan. It's a statement of power, sophistication, and dynamic performance in every detail. Drive with confidence thanks to Audi's most advanced driver assist features. The 2026 S8 includes adaptive air suspension with predictive technology, 360-degree sensors, and AI-powered autonomous driving assists. From traffic jam assist to lane departure warning, every journey is seamless, responsive, and safer than ever before. Step into a world of bespoke luxury with Valcona leather sports seats, an extended digital cockpit, and ambient LED interior lighting. A Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, fully digital climate controls, and rear executive seating with massage function ensure unparalleled comfort for both driver and passengers. The 2026 Audi S8 is powered by a 4.0L twin-turbo V8, producing 80 horsepower, an improvement from its predecessor. With quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, it accelerates 0-60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, delivering an adrenaline-fueled yet smooth driving experience. Starting at $140,000, the 2026 Audi S8 offers the perfect balance of luxury and high-performance driving. Whether on the highway or in the city, the S8 delivers uncompromising power, intelligence, and refinement. Elevate your driving experience. The road is yours to command.